Want your IPS display to look more like OLED? Try this. Press Window key plus R, type DCCW, press enter, and then only press next, and you saw the gamma adjustment and set it in lowest, and then only press next, and then only press next, and then finish. Or if you have HP laptops or Intel processors, then press your window key and search Intel Graphic Command Center, open it, go to display. In display, go to color and press custom, all colors, make him 38, select 38, scroll down in there all colors, select 17 and go to video and press custom. In custom, open this option, standard color correction, select it, and in brightness, select 38, and in contrast, select 17, and now that's it. And here's the difference. It won't turn IPS into real OLED, but it can make your screen look much better. If you want more Windows display tricks, follow for the next one. And also, thanks for watching. Subscribe.